Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about tracking your offer. Now, you may want to look at tracking your offer so you can determine how certain traffic behaves. In order to do that, you're going to go to your offer setup button, and then you're going to go to the vendor tracking link. That's going to open up a dialog box, and you're going to notice that the tracking link is highlighted. And all you'll need to do is to write in a sub ID. So, for example, we may write in this phrase. And when we do that, all we'll need to do is we'll need to click on this blue bar that says WarriorPlus videos or whatever your sub ID is. You're then going to have an entire tracking link. Now, this link will actually send the visitor straight to the sales page. However, WarriorPlus will track the number of clicks and sales that come as a result of this link. You can set as many of these up as you want to, and this will help you to determine where your traffic is coming from, as well as what source may be generating the most sales for you. So for example, once you have set this tracking link, you can set another tracking link. You can write in another phrase. And when you come to the page, you'll see all of the tracking links that you have set up for a specific period of time. And you'll be able to take this analysis and you'll be able to make decisions based on real traffic filtered through the various tracking links so that you'll know which of your traffic is converting and which of your traffic is sending visitors. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.